9618 Aguirre Road
in Mount Forest, on 1.85 acres. Welcome home to this stunning custom-built bungalow with pristine finishes, spacious layout, fully finished walkout basement, large custom-built detached workshop, 2+ bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, all on an immaculately maintained 1.85-acre property with gorgeous landscaping and panoramic pastoral vibe. The peace and quiet of this rural neighborhood close to the vibrant growing town of Mount Forest is ideal. The attention to detail and quality of construction in this home is second to none, with all desirable features including 9 and vaulted ceilings, large picture windows, gleaming granite counters and center island, engineered flooring, recessed lighting, 2 beautiful focal fireplaces, and much more. Don't miss the opportunity to experience this incredible home and property. Come and see it for yourself. Call now to book your viewing.